You can sit on the other one, but since your jeans are dirty, I believe you're a cat.
Well, that's a nice seat.
It's comfy. It's got compression to it. It's not super squishy, but you could sit on this for quite a while.
Yeah.
Without going, ow, my butt's flat.
Through an entire meal.
Yeah. Hi, Jack.
What do you think?
He says, I don't care. I want my ears rubbed. I'm a dog. I think they're gorgeous.
I think it turned out really, really well.
Yeah. I find myself looking around the house going, does anything else need to be upholstered?
Now that you know how to do some of it.
Yeah, I'm actually looking at the upholstery. Well, I've always known that the chair in the studio was poorly upholstered anyway.
Well, what do you think?
I think it's cool, and I think I'm going to be dragging out a bunch of old towels for all these people with dirty jeans who are not allowed to sit on clean chairs.
Not so much me as it is the cat.
Right. But I'm going to, especially the ones back towards the wall, I will definitely cover those. No reason to get them dusty and dirty and catty.
Okay, you want to say goodbye?
Sure. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because obviously we are going to be doing lots more.
Screwing more chairs together.
Yes.
Keep brainstorming.
Bye.